Say goodbye to razor burns and hello to silky smooth skin that lasts. In today's video, we're diving into the 4 Seasons Brazilian Wax, your ultimate solution for flawless skin, no matter the time of year. Brazilian waxing isn't just about removing hair. It's about experiencing freedom, confidence, and longer-lasting results. Unlike shaving, which grows back in just a few days, a Brazilian wax keeps your skin smooth for up to 4 weeks. Long-lasting smoothness, softer regrowth saves time. The 4 Seasons Brazilian Wax stands out because it's tailored to your skin's needs through every season. Whether it's summer vacations, cozy winter months, or fall festivities, this method adapts to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Summer, stay swimsuit ready. Fall, prep for those cozy vibes. Winter, nourish dry skin. Spring, get ready for a fresh start. Here's why you'll love the 4 Seasons Brazilian Wax. Gentle formulas for sensitive skin, expert techniques for minimal discomfort, exfoliating benefits for radiant skin, affordable packages for year-round care. Nervous about your first appointment? Don't worry. Here's what to expect. A quick consultation to understand your skin type. A relaxing environment designed to make you feel at ease. Skilled professionals who ensure precise and comfortable results. Keep your skin looking flawless with these seasonal aftercare tips. Summer, apply aloe vera to soothe sun-kissed skin. Fall, use gentle moisturizers to prevent dryness. Winter, exfoliate weekly to avoid ingrown hairs. Spring, stay hydrated for a natural glow. I've never felt this confident in my own skin. The 4 Seasons Brazilian Wax changed my self-care routine. Don't wait to feel your best. Subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips, and let's glow together.